What's up guys, we're currently here in Santa Barbara. We arrived late last night after driving down the beautiful Pacific Coast Highway. We only have a couple of days time here, so we're just gonna chill out, take it easy and enjoy this place. So after a short drive, we just got to LA, and our first stop here is the Universal Studios. So getting around in LA is tough. The traffic here really is as bad as everyone says it is. You always have to expect delays, the highways are always packed, and parking is really hard to find everywhere. Today we're just driving around different parts of the town and doing some sightseeing. We're currently here in Santa Monica, and they have these electric scooters everywhere on the streets here. We're gonna grab one of those and ride down to Venice Beach. Time to say goodbye to this beautiful place. We're spending our last night here at the beach, watching the sunset and enjoying some pizza. See you guys next week.